Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, welcome aboard. We're all about creating, crafting, and cleverly using what we have to make something beautiful. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more ideas, do check out our website, www.cleverdiycrafts.com. Give your garden a fun and creative makeover by using old chairs in cool ways. Instead of throwing them away, you can turn them into awesome decorations. Paint them in bright colors and add plants to the seats to make them into cool plant homes, creating beautiful designs in your garden. Line up chairs along the edge of your garden, half buried, to make it look unique. You can even turn chairs into birdhouses or gates for your garden. These ideas show that old chairs can bring art and nature together in your garden. Adding old chairs to your garden is a fun way to mix nature and creativity. Stack chairs on top of each other to make a cool planter for your plants. Arrange chairs in a special way, like a bunch of flowers, to make your garden interesting. Turn chairs into swings or hammocks for a cozy place to relax. Use chairs as shelves for your plants or tools, or as a place to work on your gardening. You can also make pretty wind chimes out of chairs, adding lovely sounds to your garden. These simple ideas help you use old chairs in your garden to make it look amazing and special. Before you go, just a reminder to hit that like button if you enjoyed today's topic, share it with your friends, and subscribe if you haven't already. Tap the bell button too, so you never miss our new videos. See you in the next video.